In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to get daily airdrop on the Weex app or Weex platform. Now, in case you don't know, the Weex platform is one of the top exchanges out there that you can use to trade crypto and make money with crypto. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about how to participate and get airdrops on the platform. Now, I'm not going to waste your time. I'll just go straight to the point so that you get what you actually came to this video to get. But don't forget to please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel to appreciate this value I'm about to give you. Now, you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the Weex app. This is the home page. This is how the home page looks like right here. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and participate in this airdrop. Here's how to do it. Now, actually, on the Weex platform, there are two different categories of airdrops that you can participate in. So in this video, I'll be talking about the first one because the first one has an ongoing project that is about to end. So I'm making that one the first one so that I can take advantage of it before it is over. But for the second one, I'll make sure I do a part 2 video where I'll talk about how I can earn more airdrops from that. And the one I'll be talking about in the part 2 video has even more projects that I can participate in and earn airdrops every day. But let's go straight to this one I want to talk about in this video. So for this one, it is called We Launch. So you can see at the top right here, at the top of the screen, there's a feature on Weex that is called We Launch. So what is We Launch all about? Let me click on it and let's go to the page first. So right here on the screen is the We Launch page. Now, what is the We Launch feature on Weex all about? Now, this is a feature on the Weex platform that allows you to get access to cryptocurrencies before they are launched. So that means that the airdrops you'll be getting on this page are actually cryptocurrencies that are not yet launched out there, so that you can be able to get early access to it and be among the people that can make, profit from it very early. So that's basically what the We Launch feature is all about. So I'll be showing you how to do that right now in this video. So as you can see right here, it says hold WXT to get free airdrops. Now let me talk about that before I go on. Now what does that mean? Now this means that for you to participate in this airdrop, you must have WXT coin in your spot wallet. You must have it in your spot wallet. Now this does not mean that you are paying for the airdrop. No, it doesn't mean that they will take your money for the airdrop. No, they are only using it as a way to appreciate people who are investing in the Weex coin. That's basically what it's all about, or the Weex token. So if you have WXT in your wallet, in your spot wallet on the Weex app, you can participate in this airdrop. And by the way, if you don't have an account on Weex, use the first link in the description of this video to create an account, or check the pinned comment of this video and click on that link to create an account on the Weex app. Now that you know that you need to have WXT in your wallet, the next thing is where you see ongoing projects. So you can see there is one ongoing project right now. Like I said, it's about to end. That's why I want to quickly make this video for you so that you can take advantage of this. And then you can see the total number of WXT that has been committed. That's about 2.7 billion WXT token right there. So in case you don't have WXT, just click on this page right here and to take you directly to the spot trading page where you can buy WXT. And by the way, if you don't know how to do spot trading, or maybe you want to learn how to buy a coin on the Weex app through spot trading, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now let's keep scrolling up. Now you can see right here, we're coming to event details. You can see the different categories. You have the ongoing project, which is 1. Upcoming project is 0, settling is 0, ended is 173. So you can see right here, it means that they've had 173 different projects that they've done airdrop for. So that means that they've given people early access to this 173 project right here. These are the coins that they've done in the past. So you can see everything right here. But let's talk about the one that is ongoing right now. Now, if we scroll up, this is the name of the coin, Apatom APTMs. Now, this coin is not yet launched. That means that if you participate in this airdrop, you are getting early access to this coin. I can see the total price pool they are giving out is 10,000 USDT. So they are giving 10,000 USDT of this coin right here. And then you can see it says commitment stage ends in 2 days, 19 hours. So that means that this is ending in 2 days. That's why, like I said, I'm making this video as fast as possible. So if you want to go ahead and commit your WXT, you come here and click on commit WXT. Before I go ahead and click on this commit WXT, let me show you how to participate right here. So you can see it says buy at least 300 WXT. Now, in case you don't know, 300 WXT is about $8 as at the time of making this video. So I believe everyone watching this video should be able to afford at least $8. And you can even buy as high as maybe $100, $200, depending on how much you are able to have. So buy at least 300 WXT, which is less than or about $8. The next next step is to commit. So use the quick commit button to participate. And then the third step is to claim your reward. It is simple and straightforward. And if you scroll down again, you see some FAQs. So if you want to go ahead and check them, just check them yourself. Go through all of these questions and look at the answers right there. So maybe if you have some questions, just check them right there. I don't want to go through them because of the time for this video. I don't want to make this video too long. So you can see all of the questions right here. So let's go ahead and participate in this. So you can see where it says commit WXT. I'll click on it. So as you can see on the screen right here, again, it will tell you the number of WXT that has been committed. You see the effective commitment right here. I'll talk about that later as we go on. And then you can see right here, this is like the stages or the phases of this. So you can see WXT commitment multiplier details start on the 21st, which is today that I'm making this video. So you can start putting your commitment or the WXT you want to commit to this. The WXT commitment ends on the 24th of this month. So right here, that's in like 2 days or 3 days. And then you can see the airdrop distribution. So they will be giving out the airdrops on the 24th of November between 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. You can see the time there. And then the token listing, so that means that this token will be listed 7 a.m. that same day. So they give out the airdrop between 6 to 6:30 a.m. and the token will be listed that same day by 7 a.m. So you can see all the details right here. Now if you scroll up, this is where you can now go ahead and now commit your WXT. So you can see the first one is your requirement. So you can see if you have this green icon here, that means that you are eligible. That means that you have WXT. If you don't have this green icon here, it means that you don't have WXT in your wallet. So you can see right here, I have about 3,878 WXT effective commitment right there. So I can be able to go ahead and commit this. And then if you want to go ahead and commit, just come here and commit. But in case you don't have your WXT yet, just go ahead and buy or transfer into the Weex or transfer into your Weex wallet. So if you want to go ahead and commit, I'll just come right here and click on commit now. And then you can see on the screen, you can commit 3,694 WXT. That's the number of WXT I have. And then you can go ahead and if you want to see the rules, you can see the rules right here. So you can see your committable amount is based on your spot account WXT balance. Add more WXT to increase the amount. So they're just saying that if you want to add more, just buy more. Then it says committed WXT count towards rewards but remain unfrozen and are available for other events. So what they're telling you is that the amount of WXT you commit depends on the amount of airdrop or reward you'll be getting, and also your WXT is not frozen, is not double, you can have access to it. You can have access to it anytime. I also use it for other things. So that's what they are telling you. They just need to know that you have that amount of WXT in your wallet. So once you've seen that, I'll just click on commit now. And that is all. You can see commit successful. So that is all. So I'll just be waiting for the 24th of November to know how much I will be getting. It's as simple as that. And if you come here, you see where you have this commitment multiplier. What does that mean? Now, if you look at this, the amount of WXT you commit depends on the multiplier you get. So if you commit between 300 to 3,000, you get 1 multiplier. If you commit between 3,000 to 5,000 WXT, you get 1.05. So 1.05, what does this multiplier mean? So that means that whatever amount you are committing, you multiply it by this 1.05. I hope you understand. So that's basically what you are doing. And to know how much you'll be getting, let's come here. You can see airdrop rewards. So you can see airdrop reward equals to your current effective commitment divided by all users' effective commitment multiplied by the price pool. So what does that mean? If you look at your current effective commitment again is how much you are committing, the WXT, multiplied by whatever commitment multiplier you get. So again, my own commitment multiplier is 1.05 because I committed about 3,600 or something. I can't remember. So I'll just multiply that number by this 1.05. That's basically what you are doing. So that's your effective committed WXT. So that value that you get, you divide it by all users' effective commitment. So this is all users' effective commitment, this one here. So you divide it by this 209 million WXT. Once you divide it, then multiply it by $10,000. That's how you know how much airdrop or the value you are going to be getting right there. And then when the coin is listed, you can actually sell it immediately and make money from that, or you can wait for it to go up. But most likely, I always advise people to just sell the coin and make the money and just move on right there. I hope you understand. So it's as simple as that. And for those of you that might want to be using the app for this, this is the website. So if you want to use the app, I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now. So wherever you see the arrow pointing to, that's where you can see the We Launch feature on the app. So in case you're not using the website, you're using the app, just go to the home page. This home page right you're seeing on the screen, I'm talking about the app. You see the home page where the arrow is pointing to, that's the We Launch feature. So just click on it and follow everything I've just explained in this video. Don't forget, if you don't have an account on the Weex app, just use the first link in the description of this video to create an account and get access to this airdrop. Like I said, they always do this airdrop from time to time. And I showed you earlier, they've done over 173 projects. This is the 174th project right here, and they still have more coming. So make sure you create an account on Weex, follow everything I've explained. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, in my part 2 video, this is a part 1 video, in my part 2 video, I'll be talking about how you can get access to even more projects to get daily airdrops. You can see this one is just one project that is available right now. In the part 2 video, you get access to over 10 projects that you can participate in to get daily airdrops. Yes, over 10. I'll be showing you in my part 2 video. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.